How to use our reading assessment. Hi, thanks for tuning into another how-to video. Today we will be using our reading program assessment. The goal of the assessment is to provide a recommended starting level for your student. Please note, this tool as well as the others inside our program are intended to help evaluate your student in their journey toward learning how to read. We encourage you to use your discretion to accurately place the students. To find the reading assessment, it's listed under your teacher resource section on your class board. To start the assessment, please have the child read the word on the screen. If the child correctly reads the word, click the correct button. If not, click the incorrect button. If a child gets only one word wrong, they should continue reading words. The assessment will stop after 3 incorrect choices, and a recommended starting level will be provided. At the completion of the assessment, a recommended starting level will appear. With the recommended level will be the sounds, decodable words as well as the special words that are the focus of that level. It will also provide a button to start that level. If you have your class board handy, you will be able to quickly log in as the student and position them on that level. This way, when they log in for the first time, they will be able to resume progress at the perfect starting ground for them. Please note, the starting level that is recommended is based on the first incorrect word. If you think this is incorrect, we encourage you to have the child take the test again or start our program adjacent to the suggested level. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions to support@ReadingTeacher.com.